Imagine making money while you sleep. No work, no stress, just income coming in daily to your pocket. Sounds fake, but with AI, this is actually possible. All right, let me break it down for you. Step one, create digital content using AI. This can be ebooks, videos, or simple guides. Super easy, no cap. Step two, upload it on platforms like YouTube or digital marketplaces. That's where the money starts rolling in. Step three, automate the process. Use AI tools to create, edit, and publish content. Basically, set it up once and let it run. Now, here's the magic. Once your content is live, it keeps working for you day and night, 24/7, no breaks. That's how people build passive income just using AI. Low effort, high reward. You don't need a big investment. You just need a system. Start today and let AI work for you. Don't overthink it. Just get started. Subscribe for more AI income strategies and turn your time into freedom. Let's get that bag. See you in the next video.